Hello, good evening. Folks are trying to recover from a bad throat. I hope I'm audible. Today's subject is C section, the growing rate of C section. There are two types of C sections. One is the gynecologist decides the procedure that, hey, this is a complicated case. We will have to intervene and do a C section. The second is C section where parents decide. So in the first case, it is something, it's a medical intervention. The time of birth is, when the gynecologist pulls the head of the child. That's the time of birth. And the second case is where I keep thinking that, hey, can parents decide the fate of the child? And these days you come across a lot of couples where they're very particular about the date and time of birth, and they go for a C-section just because it's a good date and time. So are we so powerful to fix the date and time and fix the fate of the child? So in this quest, I happened to chat up with a gynecologist, a leading gynecologist in Bangalore, and she was sharing a good experience. She came across a couple who was very particular about a particular date and time, and they all agreed that okay, it's fine. And when the procedure was about to begin, they realized that the anesthesia was not enough. So they had to call the anesthetist back, and by the time she could come, there was a 30-minute gap between what they decided and when actually they pulled the child. And in 30 minutes, a lot of things changes. The planetary positions changes, degrees changes. Moon is the fastest moving planet, so the nakshatra also can change. The lagna also can change. The lagna changes every 2 hours, so it could be a junction point, and there is a possibility of lagna change. So you can fix the time of birth, you can plan and fix the time of birth, but there's another energy trying to fix what you're trying to fix. So karma is very powerful there, and this is a very good example of how karma works. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button above and the like button below and comments in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.